procession or cavalcade has already reached India Gate, and the torch, the last torch bearer there, and going to Amir Khan, who's taking over the torch now. He is taking over the torch. Is one among the 70 people who are going to be taking part in this torch relay, many of whom have already had their turn already. It's been just about 20 minutes long, this entire affair. Really disappointing for those who had hoped to catch the Olympic torch relay in the capital of India. No public whatsoever allowed, just security personnel and of course people who have organized the torch relay from the Indian Olympic Association, a media contingent and the companions of the Olympic torch, as it were, those who have been following or traveling with the Olympic flame from Olympia a couple of months ago all the way now, and they will be with this flame till the beginning of the Beijing Games a little later in July, pardon me, and the Olympic Games will be over by August 2008. So that really is the journey of the Olympic torch, which has already traversed across Europe, North America, South America, now to Asia, the subcontinent, from the subcontinent to Southeast Asia, from then on to East Asia, also Australia as well, and then finally to China, where it will it will stop in 30 different cities and locations in China before reaching Beijing. That's Randhir Singh, as you can see, of the Indian Olympic Association, perhaps the last person to carry this Olympic torch, and that's more or less the end of this Olympic torch journey in India. Himanshu Singhal, our correspondent, is still with us. Pardon me, we'll go across once again to Arunoday Mukherjee. Arunoday, it's almost all over. So the worst fears of the government of India have not been realized. It has been entirely safe, without incident, this torch relay. Leander Paes there, as we can see, currently waiting for his turn with the Olympic torch.
Well, that's right, Venkatesh. I don't know if you can hear me through all the noise over here, all the celebration, because the torch has in fact reached India Gate, its final destination here in the capital, where it will be rested for about 15 to 20 minutes, greeted by all dignitaries who have gathered here. I have caught sight of the torch. It is being carried by lots of people there, of course, surrounded by a heavy security blanket. It is taking its time to reach the dais over here, where it will be placed for a while. There are loud cheers by children who've gathered here, by dignitaries, everyone, by of course a band from the armed forces as well, who've been playing music. So things really have reached the heights at the moment. There is tremendous celebration and tremendous cheer, and of course we are waiting to hear from the Chief Minister any moment now, as well, about how the experience has really been to host the Olympic torch relay right here in the capital.
All right, Aruno, there we can see Leander Paes and Mahesh Bhupati there. Let's listen into what's happening out there.
हुआ था, ब्रॉन्ज मेडल से चूक गई थी ये जोड़ी, और चिली का जो पेयर था उसने इनको पराजित किया था। बहुत देर तक मुकाबला चला था, लगभग 4.5-5 घंटे, और भारतीय समय के अनुसार सुबह 4 बजे के करीब उस मुकाबले का समापन हुआ था। और दिल्ली के ऐतिहासिक राजपथ पर इस समय टेलीविजन और प्रिंट मीडिया से जुड़े हुए तमाम छायाकार और चित्रकार और साथ ही दर्शक प्रशंसक इस मकाम का गवाह बनना चाहते हैं। इन पलों को अपने कैमरे में और अपने मानस पटल पर कैद करना चाहते हैं। साथ ही छात्र छात्राएं, वॉलंटियर्स भी मौजूद हैं रंग बिरंगे परिधानों में, जो खेलों की दुनिया से जुड़ी हुई हस्तियों से अपने आप को रूबरू कर रहे हैं। साथ ही एक ऐतिहासिक अवसर से भी अपने आप को जुड़ा हुआ पा रहे हैं, और वो अवसर है ओलंपिक मशाल, बीजिंग ओलंपिक खेलों की 2008 की उसका आगमन राजधानी दिल्ली में। आज का दिन खासा अहम इन सभी खिलाड़ियों, एथलीटों, प्रशंसकों के लिए। लिएंडर पेस और महेश भूपति, इंडियन एक्सप्रेस, भारत की आशा बीजिंग ओलंपिक खेलों में टेनिस स्पर्धाओं में इस समय मशाल को लेकर आगे बढ़ते हुए।
This is really very, very picturesque, very, very symbolic. A pair that's been in the news for a lot of different reasons, putting all that aside.
There you have it, Leander Paes and Mahesh Bhupati, really the torchbearers of India's hopes this time in the Beijing Olympics. Last time they managed a bronze medal. They'll be combining their efforts once again. Perhaps the last time the two of them will turn out for India at the Olympics, and they will be trying for gold this time round in the Beijing Olympics. And finally, the end of the torch relay. Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit setting fire to that receptacle there, and the end of the Indian leg of the Olympic torch relay.
MS Gill भी मौजूद हैं इस अवसर पर। भारतीय ओलंपिक संघ के अध्यक्ष श्री सुरेश कलमाडी, दिल्ली के उपराज्यपाल श्री तेजेंद्र खन्ना, तमाम विशिष्ट अतिथिगण, खेलों की दुनिया से जुड़ी हस्तियां इस ऐतिहासिक मकाम को एक और अनोखी गरिमा प्रदान करते हुए रमन।
This is something really that everyone's been waiting for. As you can make out, the crowd loving and lapping up every moment, every second of this celebration of the Olympic torch relay in New Delhi.
दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री श्रीमती शीला दीक्षित, भारत सरकार के खेल एवं युवा मामलों के मंत्री श्री MS गिल, भारतीय ओलंपिक संघ के अध्यक्ष श्री सुरेश कलमाडी जरूर आज बहुत
There you have it, the Sports Minister MS Gill, Sheila Dikshit, the Chief Minister of Delhi, Suresh Kalmadi of the Indian Olympic Association, Leander Paes, Mahesh Bhupathi, all of them at the dais there at the end of a successful Olympic torch relay. It has not been interrupted by any violence whatsoever. This is a huge sigh of relief for the government of India. Of course, the pro-Tibetan protesters have carried out a parallel torch relay, which was also successful there at Jantar Mantar right now, even as we speak. But that's the end of the torch relay, the end of controversy, of all those weeks of controversy surrounding the torch and the Tibetan movement in India and indeed across the world. And Mahesh Bhupathi and Leander Paes, finally the last leg really of that torch relay right in front of India Gate at the Amar Jawan Jyoti, where that fittingly that Olympic torch relay ended. It began about half an hour ago at Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is just up the road, up Rajpath, 2.3 kilometers away. One can see it